Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Libra Sun Moon Venus rising from today till the 1st of December, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you are dealing with along with your own sign. Keep in mind the rules can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, it's not your story. Please keep in mind these are general readings. Please don't try to make them personal. If they are not resonating, then it is not story at your story at all. Now if you want to um have one-on-one sessions, you can book your slots. The links are given for everything in the description box for my course and for the best healing modality of the universe, the master class of Ho'oponopono. You're going to find out every link in the description box, and for any queries you guys can mail us. My team will reply. Now let's start. Libra, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see, Libra honey, what's happening. We have the Page of Swords. Okay, somebody is watching you from a distance. Although there is a distance between you guys, maybe physical distance or maybe emotional distance, this person is kind of watching every move of yours, or at least trying to if they can't. Let me clarify the Page of Swords as their feelings for you. It's like trying to get to know more and more about you. We have the Three of Wands, the Eight of Swords, the Moon card. Yeah. This person is feeling like scared in the situation. They are scared. They have a lot of insecurities. They have this energy of feeling like continuously thinking negative about the situation all the time between you and them. So they are keeping themselves at a safe distance from you, and they are trying to like know each and everything about you. At the same time, they're kind of scared what is going to happen next in the situation. Okay, maybe things ended, but now this person is kind of watching you, like curious about your life, at the same time too scared what's going to happen next in the situation. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Hermit card. So you are kind of in this energy of working on yourself, taking care of yourself, using your own wisdom and experience to just make your life more better with each passing day. You are just in this mode of silence and or taking less interest or less participation from your side in this direction, but you're thinking a lot about this direction. Love and relationship area. We have the Hanged Man, the Five of Wands, the Chariot. Yeah. See, you feel like moving on from all the drama, all the chaos, all the stress that anybody gave you in this area of your life. At the same time, you feel like you should just surrender to the divine. Whenever the right kind of person, right kind of energy is going to appear in your life, then you're going to go to the next chapter. You should not worry about this too much, basically. This is what you're feeling. You should not continuously think about it, and you should just stay away from the drama. So basically you are on that energy, or right now you are in that phase of your healing right now, where you don't want any kind of drama in your life anymore. It's peace. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? King of Swords. They want to clear the air with you, like clear cut. It's like, I want to talk to you. I have something to tell you, or I have something to discuss with you. This is what it is, and this is how it is. Even if it is painful, hurtful, this is the truth. They want to tell you some kind of truth, or they want you to tell them some kind of truth. But they want to have a truthful communication between you and them. Let's see. Let's clarify the King of Swords. We have the Ace of Cups, the Six of Cups, the Three of Swords, right? Because of the sake of whatever connection you had in the past, they still feel very much connected to you. They're quite heartbroken over this situation, not working out the way it was supposed to work out. So they want to clear the air with you in the manner, maybe they want another shot with you. I'm saying maybe because there is a possibility that you guys can make this work out. But at the same time, this person is not very sure that this is ever going to happen or not, like the brand new beginning. But they definitely have this energy of wanting to clear it out with you, clear the air with you, be very blunt and honest with you, and kind of hoping for the same kind of honesty from your side. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, honey? Five of Wands, you just want to stay away from the drama. See, Five of Wands is coming again and again in your energies. So you are fed up of all the drama, all the fights, all the chaos and conflict, whatever happened in the situation between you and this person, and you're kind of just want to stay away from this as much as you can from your side. Let me clarify the Five of Wands. We have the Ten of Cups, the Hierophant, and the Devil. Wow. There might be a third party kind of interference in the situation. It could be a romantic third party, it could be family, it could be cultural differences, it could be any kind of issues that you might be facing in the situation between you and this person. And it's kind of draining you now. It's kind of making you feel like enough is enough. I have to leave the situation. I have to find my own peace. I can't stay in this situation anymore because it sucks. It's sucking my energies. It's draining my energies. It's making me feel like a disaster. So you just want to stay away from any kind of drama, any kind of conflict or chaos in the situation, especially if you guys are already married to each other. If not, if you guys are in a serious relationship, you are not able to handle this situation anymore. You are kind of wanting your space and time in order to understand what you want to have in this situation in the coming future. Okay, you want to take your time and you want to understand the situation properly from your point of view with every pros and cons, and then you want to decide further, right? That's pretty cool. That's really mature and cool as well. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 1st of December. Libra. Judgment. I do see letting go and surrendering to the divine. You are in this energy of let's forgive and move ahead. Let's forgive and forget. Okay, let's clarify the judgment here. The season is changing and so is my health. Again, I do see both people kind of watching each other from a distance. Both are feeling very depressed about the things not going the way you guys want it to happen, like between you and this particular person and energy. Both of you are watching each other from a distance. Both of you are kind of stressed out about this future direction of the situation, and both of you are trying to let go of the situation, not each other. It's like you guys are in the surrender mode, especially you, Libra. You are in the surrender mode. You might be in this energy of not talking to this person at all, and this might be giving this person much pain, and you're kind of taking your time in order to understand whether you want to heal this situation or you just want to let it go for the time being. And you are more on this energy of letting it go and working on yourself and then deciding what you guys should do. Guidance for your Three of Cups. It's a teamwork, right, honey, Libra? It's a teamwork kind of effort, and it takes two to tango. So if by the help of any other person, maybe a counselor or healer or a therapist or somebody who can help you guys in order to maintain peace or restore peace back in the situation, try to do that. Yeah. But if you're not ready, then just don't do that. If you are not ready, just focus on yourself, your happiness, and your self-love, self-growth. Okay. If you are ready, if you feel like you should work on this situation, maybe taking help from somebody else out of this equation is definitely going to help you guys to restore the balance back in the situation the way you guys want it. It's not going to be easy, but you guys have to take the initial step. That is the most important task, right? Taking the first step. Important and scary too. But you gotta do it, honey. Yeah, so thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.